Hi, this is Will from Pickup Media, and today I'll be doing a quick demonstration on how to set up your GemLightbox. GemLightbox is a plug-and-play solution, which means you literally plug in the power, press the power button, and you're ready to go. So, right now we're going to set up the table for the GemLightbox. What we do is we take the two table legs and insert it into the box. 1, 2. GemLightbox comes with two types of tables. The first type of table is what we call a reflection table. This creates a reflection for your jewelry. The second table, which is the more popular option, is the shadow table. This creates a kind of shadow underneath your jewelry. For this demonstration, we'll be demonstrating the shadow table. So first of all, we insert the reflection table. Once we do that, we can put in the shadow table. Shadow table goes in along with the piece of jewelry that you want to shoot. So I'll put this piece of jewelry right into the middle of the box. Now, for the smartphone stand, all you need to do is lift it up and adjust to the angle that you want to use. Place that in front of the box. Next, get your smartphone, turn to camera mode, and we're ready to go. Point the phone there, take the reflector. For the reflector, we can use it vertically or horizontally. For this use case, we'll use it horizontally. We tap to focus, we zoom into the product, and we can adjust the smartphone stand to see the right angle that we want. Tap to focus, brighten up as needed, capture. And just like that, we're able to get a studio quality image in just 5 seconds.